Labafundi basemkhulu combined ngaphandle kweMiddelburg eMpumalanga basele bacakekile futhi bakhathatekile kulandzela ukuthi amabhasi lavamise kubathutha abamikise esikolweni akakaveli namuhla ekuseni. Lokhu sekulilanga lesibili kwenteka. Kanti-ke banikati balamabhasi babambe umbhikisho bakhala ngekuthi uhulumende solomane akababhadali imali yabo.
Our main problems with the department is the failure of opening what you call a platform to negotiate, to deliberate on certain issues. Few issues that made us to stall. One was we were unable to get diesel to make our operation operational.
Batali bakhathateke kakhulu.
We are facing these consequences of our children that are not going to school, and they are the ones that are losing. It's going to also affect our school performance. Since last year, we get a good results of 89%. So now, this one is one of the distractions that is going to keep us and hold us back.
The rural areas are not taken serious by the government as it is. So the kids, we expect the kids to progress, but no progress will be made.
Litiko letemisebenzi yesive kanye netekutfutsa eMpumalanga lithi imbangela yalenkinga ukuthi umnyakatimali usacetha kujubeka. Kungakho-ke basabhizi bayalungisa ukuthi banikati bemabhasi babhadalwe. Etindzabeni tetfu ku-Channel 163 lotiletselwa iNewsroom Africa, ngingumweli Masilela eMiddelburg eMpumalanga.